How to sew lock stitch. Lock stitch is a stitch used to hold lining or interlining fabric together. Loose by nature, it is a stitch that gives and allows for movement between layers. For this reason, it is good for heavier fabric items such as curtains. Steps. 1. Work from the base of the curtain to the top. 2. Fold back the lining or interlining. Stitch through both the lining/interlining in the main fabric. 3. Pick up only a couple of threads with each stitch. 4. Make the next stitch about 2 inches/5 centimeters along the lining/interlining. At all times keep the stitching slack. 5. Continue in this manner all of the ways from the base of the fabric to the top. 6. Tie off and knot the end. Cut to remove the remaining thread length. 7. Done.